Hey guys, today I'm recording this girl Elizabeth doll. She needs to check out my channel, so I'm gonna tell her. Alright, I'll be here for a second. Check out my YouTube channel. Alright, it didn't let me, but that's okay. Almost everyone has that thing. What thing? Oh, the little wine thing? No, none of us have it. She's the only one that has it. Let me close this up. I'm not copying. I already had this outfit before. Yeah, right. This is me. This is how I look. I look creepy peepees. And I won 2 rounds. I won first place and second place. Right here. Second place. Okay. Anyway. Why is my phone getting dark? Oh, no, it's not that. It's the bubbles. Yes! I got 97 diamonds. Yes, as much as diamonds as I had before. So. Ooh, I have 506 diamonds. I don't know how to count. Okay, that's okay. I actually do know how to count, but I actually don't know what that number is because it's too long, so I can't walk anywhere with this camera in my face. The heck? Oh, no. I should definitely put the camera in here. Oh boy. No boys are in here. In this place, Royal High. No one. Not even boys. No boys are even in this game, dude. There's a boy passing by. What the heck? No boys even play this game. It's a girl game. Wait. It's a boy game too. Well, it's a girl game, but they do have boy stuff, so yeah, they could be in there. Whoever made this, I love it. Whoever made Royal High, I love it. How did they make this? They did not add any updates but the UFO. Okay, I was a bit too loud there. Where am I going? Let's go on swing, okay? Going on swing. This is just for you guys to know if there's any swing here and how to get here. Please swing and oh, there it is. Oh, time's out. Okay, no man. No matter what, I don't care. I'm going on the swing because it's fun. Alright, I better run. Run! Ow, that hurts. Vote for me. If you're here and you see me, then vote for me, okay? Vote for me! Okay. Okay, I'm gonna tell them to vote me. Vote me. Vote me. Vote me. Witch? The witch! That's not... Okay, it is haunted, but I'm not scared of them. She said why I'm not scared of them. Well, I am scared of them, but I just don't know why I'm not in the mood right now. Oh, there's me. That's me. The one with the cream. Alright. Yuck. What is that? I see a booger inside a chicken's chickies. Why do you have boogers in your nose? Ew. I'm gonna have to pick it. No, No, I don't want to do that. No, I'm not doing it. You can do it herself. Actually, she doesn't know how. I will wax it later. No, I don't want to wax it. No. I'll pick it out later with a napkin. All right. What is that? What the heck is that? I'm just kidding. Well, wait, how do you film? Oh yeah, I'm already filming. Love. No, love. No, it has to be like something hated. A chore and something why you have. So, that's my yeah. The girls I can see my like this. Didn't really say the S word, but I didn't. I know, I swear I did not. It's my it. I only said it, just for you to know. It's my it. All the girls I can see my like this. The terms of it. Glow in the Hawaii. Why not Hawaii? Why does she like Hawaii so much? Alright, we're all done with the parts. That's me. That is me over there. This is me. Wait, I'm pointing at the wrong person. That's not me. Wait, that is me. That is me. Why is my skin green? It's not supposed to be that color. I swear, I left it like peach or something. Why is it green? Oh, it's peach. Okay. It's just because of the lights. It's green. Myra's doll. Stop thinking about love. Okay? This contest is not about you or love. You. Would you stop touching everything? Sorry if I was rude. Oh, hi, thanks for checking in, but I'm still a piece of garbage. This is what I look like before quarantine. I'm kidding. What is that? No. Oh, wait, that's me. Thank you. Sorry, I'm getting kind of tired of filming, but I just don't. Full. Alright, she left. If you want me to vote you, just tell me in the comments. And I'll make another video and I'll vote you. Tell me your name on the Roblox fashion on the Sunset Land. Like, tell me your name.